Hey, boy, come here!
Yeah, Hubie, what is it, huh? What is it, what is it?
Welcome to our new home. Nice, huh?
Yeah, sure. What did I do? What did I do?
You didn't do nothing. Look! Well, see now, this is gonna require strategy. The thing we gotta do is we gotta get that cat out of the house. Now here's what you should do, boy.
Riot!
Okay, boys?
Lower away.
Why, you...